it because you are not just looking for information, you are seeking connection, relief, clarity, and sometimes just good laugh in the middle of a heavy introspective journey. Humor, especially in the Indian context, helps us lower the pressure of having it all figured out. Laugh at our shared career chaos because it is relatable. Make serious ideas like building a personal brand of advisors actually memorable and doable. Bridge the gap between inspiration and action. I do this because it makes the idea stick. You will forget a framework, but you will remember the friend who is always chilling. It makes people feel seen. The moment someone says, "Oh my god, that is so me," they are more open to change. It makes growth fun. You don't need to suffer through career development, you can grow and green at the same time. And finally, because if we can't laugh about our upbringing, nosy uncles, and chai breaks, are we even growing the desi way? So that is the context, which is why we do a personal board of advisors. Now, so because no matter what your job is your parents will always advise you to just do a government job and settle down. प्राइवेट जॉब में कोई भरोसा नहीं होता. The over involved uncle, the free advisor you never hire, the man knows everything, stock market, UPSC, crypto, foreign education and how you should live your life. मैं होता तो CEO बन चुका होता. That is what he will say. The WhatsApp University professor, the neighborhood uncle who forwards 17 messages daily, including career tips from Sandeep Maheshwari and diet plans from Baba Ramdev. बेटा 4 बजे उठ जाओ तो भी सक्सेस मिलेगी. The colleague who is always on a breakthrough journey. I am a breakthrough coach, so maybe it applies to me also. They have tried yoga, coding, freelancing, crypto trading, and now they are coaching others on LinkedIn. Bro, quit your job and follow your passion, like I did Tuesday. The friend who thinks they are your sponsor, they are your friend, but keep saying, मुझे बोलना मेरे जान पहचान में है, and then disappears when you follow up. Oh, वो तो US चला गया यार. The peer ally who just wants to chill. You are looking for accountability, they are looking for excuses. छोड़ना यार, कल करेंगे, पहले चाय पी लेते चलते हैं. The challenger who is always actually a roaster. They claim to give tough love, but mostly roast you for fun. The MBA, तो MBA करके भी एक्सेल नहीं चाहता है properly. The industry connector who only connects themselves, says they will put you in touch but ends up sending their own resume instead. Actually, I was also looking for a change, bro. Help कर दे. The mentor who treats you like their startup. Constant KPIs, follow-ups, Excel trackers, and career vision decks. I need your 30, 60, 90 days career growth plan by Monday. The HR person in your friend circle, they start every casual chat with where do you see yourself in 5 years. और बताओ career goals पे काम हो रहा है या नहीं. So your dog is your real advisor, listens to all your career rants without judgment, occasionally judges but doesn't talk, still more supportive than some colleagues. So these are the context, which is why you need your personal follow the framework for your visualizing your personal board of advisor, who fits in, whom you can trust about that, on that. And